Sit back.
What are you doing?
Of course, they are.
Oh, trust me, I have. Why? More? Oh, your little tongue. It landed too. Let me see. Oh, okay. Hmm? Ugh, I got shampoo all over me, so. Well, you know we should get Bea? We should get Bea booties.
What are those?
Like little shoes. It would be so cute on Bea, right? I mean, Bea's
I've never
are...
seen Bea in the diaper.
No. Why?
Yes. You should put underwear on Bea.
Vega. Look. You want water? You want water? No? Okay. Love you. Why is our dog so cute? Imagine if Bea had a short tail. I wouldn't care. If Bea had a short tail, I'd be like, oh, okay. Oh, it landed. Bea, do you have water? Let me see. Does Bea have a towel in here? So, like a dirty towel?
Okay.
This is dirty, or did we use this? Or use this?
For Bea.
Okay, because I need to take her eye boogers off. I remember this.
This is the pick.
Oh, I remember this.
Is this good fit? You want to try?
No, Bea chewed it up.
No?
Yeah. So this is our dog's shirt, right? It was for winter because it was cold. And she chewed it up, like right here. Look, she chewed it up. We can't give it to Bea. See, she chewed it up like that.
About to brush your teeth.
This is the process of like doing like washing our dog. I hope too, but like I'm recording, so I brush your teeth. You need help? Oh! How come Bea has white teeth? Like it's just like.
We're recording this.
Trust
you need
me,
to brush your teeth.
our dog does not show that. Like our dog is like a nice dog. She's not mean. We trained her to be nice.
Oh, baby teeth. Can I see a baby teeth? Wait, hold on.
Hmm. Oh, yeah, she also does that when she gets water in her ear. Or when she's like, I don't know, she does that a lot. Every time we wash her, she does that.
Wait, are you ready to get out?
I'm my puppy. You want your toy when you're done, Bea? Hmm?
You don't look brown.
You look like a gray and white
Wait,
puppy.
I'm trying to get you out. I'm trying to get you out.
Hold on. Oh, why is it still there? Okay, it's gone. Ew.
A little heavy.
There.
Gosh, she's really... Look at her paw prints.
You can see it in the reflection glare. Oh, Bea has shiny paws. Come here. Why are you just gonna leave us like that?
Now you want a treat?
You're not gonna be here in the outro video, Bea? Hmm?
Wait, let's show them her sick moon.
All right.
Wait, hold up. Oh.
Go turn this light on. So Bea only has like 2 treats.
Really?
Yeah.
We'll just waste them?
Mm-hmm. Because I gave her like 2 treats. No, Bea has 4 treats. Because I gave her 2 treats so I could get her to get in a bath.
I'm gonna record my our dog.
I want to do 2 treats. You do 2 and I did 2. I want to do it.
Alright, so
Oh, really? Why'd you take all the treats? You took all the treats.
oh, you want a treat? Record this dog.
Look, her ears go up. Say treat.
Treat. Up. Sit. Pop. Down. Down. Roll over. No, down. Roll over.
Good girl.
Sliding. Hey, I think I lost the other treats.
Oh,
Yeah, up. Yeah. Up. Sit. Pop. Down. Roll over. Good girl.
good girl. That's it. How many treats does she have left?
Up. Sit. Paw. Down. Roll over.
In fact, my 2 favorite tricks that she does is paw and roll over.
Well, that's it for today. Thank you for 12 million subscribers. I'm sorry that I was kind of not energetic today. Just because I just woke up, kind of. Not really, but we'll make more videos today because we just hit 12 subscribers. So, yeah. I'm trying to get to 20, which might happen soon. So, yeah, and thank you for watching this video. And thank you for 12 subscribers. I'll probably make another video today about us like riding bikes or something. I'm trying to get a new bike, but I can't because I keep riding her bike. so we can ride together. But, you know, it's fine. So, I hope y'all enjoyed this video of us taking our beautiful, beautiful dog.
Beautiful puppy.
And, as always, stay golden.